Now at 6, the great gun law debate.
We have an obligation to do everything that we can every single day to try and protect our children.
From arming teachers to packing without a permit.
It's the wrong thing to do in this moment right now in our nation and in our state.
New gun laws in Ohio reigniting calls for more reform.
On the day that carrying a concealed weapon without a permit became legal here in Ohio, Governor Mike DeWine decided to sign another gun bill into law.
Now, this one allows teachers and school staff with a certain amount of training to carry guns in Ohio schools. The governor says it's one of his ongoing school safety initiatives.
State House reporter Morgan Trout takes an in-depth look tonight at guns in schools.
Today is Ohio doing something.
I want to take a moment to commend Ohio's school officials, our teachers, who have worked very hard to prevent, avert, and avoid tragedies, and they deserve our thanks and appreciation.
And today, Governor DeWine signed a bill that would allow school staff members to bring a gun into work.
Practice the Hippocratic Oath. At least do no harm. And bills like these are harmful. They're harmful to kids, they're harmful to educators, they're harmful to our state.
Ohio Education Association President Scott DeMauro and more than 350 others testified against House Bill 99. It lets each school board allow any staff member to carry a firearm in school with just 24 hours of training.
I'm committed to continuing to do all we can to be a resource for our teachers, administrators, and other school staff to help protect our kids.
Many state Republicans say this will increase public safety since many more people will have a weapon on them. But many educators, law enforcement officers, parents, and Democrats say this is dangerous and the wrong move.
We've been on the front line of the pandemic. We've been on the front line of the culture wars that we didn't create. And now we're being asked to be on the front line when it comes to safety against armed intruders. And I think for so many of our educators across the state, they're just saying enough is enough.
DeMauro says the bill hasn't been thought out and there is still so much unknown.
That will be determined by the school safety office.
Although the governor is asking everyone to complete 24 hours of training, he says he doesn't know how much of that training will be holding a live firearm versus instruction. At this point, a number of details have not been decided on.
Governor DeWine's team says the curriculum could be finished this summer. Once it is, school boards can send off their staff to the training, and some could be armed as soon as this fall. At the State House, Morgan Traub, News 5.
Now, the mayors and police chiefs in Ohio's biggest cities say these new bills are not what they need to fight the increasing gun violence in their communities.
Ohio's mayors need real change at the state and federal level to give us the tools we need to combat gun violence.
Cleveland Mayor Justin Bibb is asking CMSD leaders not to allow teachers to be armed in schools. And as for Senate Bill 215, both he and interim police chief Wayne Drummond believe permitless carry puts the lives of police officers at risk.
We are requiring our officers to ask everyone that their approach relative to traffic stops and engagements if they're armed.
Mayor Bibb says Cleveland's taking a public health perspective to try to address the root cause of gun violence.
And those mayors also calling on lawmakers in D.C. to take action when it comes to nationwide gun reform. A bipartisan group of senators reached an agreement on possible legislation this weekend. Now, while it's not as strong as what the president is asking for, if it passed, it would be the most significant action Congress has taken on gun safety laws. That's since the 1990s. The plan, drafted by 10 Democrats and 10 Republicans, would strengthen background checks, allowing juvenile records to be screened for gun buyers younger than 21, expand gun restrictions for convicted domestic violence abusers, allocate funding for states enacting red flag laws to temporarily remove guns from those considered dangerous, and bolster school security and mental health programs.